What's going on, family? It's Quintrell Lenora here, Q, your favorite career coach, back with another video. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into the content. So 3 tips that I wanna give you all to help you to land an IT technical support role. Starts off with the first one. Be confident in your past and your current work experience. For those of you all that are trying to break into IT, I think IT technical support is going to give you a foundation for the industry at large, and it's going to help you to accelerate, because once you get exposure to sort of the world of work of what IT support does, you're going to see a lot of different job functions. But first, you all have to be confident in your current and your past work experience. And just as a sidebar, in my day job, I work with a lot of folks that are trying to break into tech, that are applying for IT technical support roles. A lot of folks are coming from warehouse type jobs, and on paper, a lot of the folks that I work with, they don't see the value in working for a warehouse job. They don't see the skills, the experience that comes from it. But I see time and time again, there's a lot of customer service, there's some project management, there's some teamwork and collaboration. You're problem solving, you're having to use some critical skills oftentimes in real time to help solve those problems. So the point that I'm being is there are a lot of soft skills, and I think the secret sauce is to be confident in the value that you are gaining or have already from the jobs that you're working. The second tip I want to give you all to help you to land an IT technical support role is to zero in on the transferable skills. You all have to identify the transferable skills that are relevant for the jobs you're applying for. What I like as a starting point is to visit the CompTIA website. They have a cross section of different industries that you all can break into, and just looking at sort of the IT technical support section is going to give you some context. So I'm here on the CompTIA website, and you can see here I'm looking at IT support specialist, right? So if I click here where it says learn more, all I want to look at here as I scroll down is I want to find language, right? So we can see some job titles: desktop support specialist, IT technician, field service technician. These are common job titles. Now what I want is the transferable skills, because what's going to happen is you got to pull those skills out to put on your resume, your cover letter, and brand yourself on your LinkedIn, right? So when you think about required skills, all right, making data easily accessible to those that need it, paying attention to customers' descriptions for their problems, asking questions, right, to diagnose the right problems, walking customers through recommended problem solving steps, set up or repair computer equipment or other devices, training users to work with new computer hardware or software, documenting changes, revisions to problems, and providing support to other team members. So these are some technical skills, but also some soft skills to think about. As I go over to intermediate, right, you'll see some similar stuff. What I like is maybe you're setting up or repair computer equipment, maintaining system capabilities. Some of these are kind of repeat. I like the idea of just training and managing people. Like, as you start to go up various tiers, more responsibility, you're gonna have more interactions with customers, both internal and external. Let's go to advanced to see if there's something different. So I think the biggest one is manage or train a team, clearly communicating changes and policies to organization management, project manage ongoing issues. So as you kind of go up the various tiers for IT technical support, you have more responsibilities with people. It's probably the biggest distinction that I'm seeing. The last thing I'll say about transferable skills is use multiple job descriptions, right? What I'm seeing a lot of times with folks that are applying for jobs is they have their generic resume and they're just spraying and praying. Like, they're applying for as many jobs as possible, hoping that one sticks. You do have to target your resume and your cover letter to the jobs you're applying for. Before you even get there though, what I want you to do is cross-reference maybe like 3 to 5 job descriptions. Pull out certain skills, maybe software systems, applications that are on those 3 to 5 job descriptions, and incorporate it into your resume, right? So that would be a good tip to pull out some transferable skills. And lastly, the third tip that I would give you all that are trying to find an IT support role is to rebrand yourself. You have to repackage yourself. I forget what TV show I was watching, but if you can think about if you can think about somebody cooking you a gourmet dish. Maybe you got this delicious filet mignon. It's cooked to perfection, right? Nice and juicy. I'm getting hungry just thinking about eating a steak right now. But if you got this beautiful steak and it's packaged in such a way where that steak is placed on a trash can, the top of a trash can, and it's served to you, like, how would you want that? Would you eat that steak? I'm a big guy. I love food. I'm a foodie, but I'm not eating a steak on top of a trash can. Like, just gotta keep it real with you. So that's what's happening with a lot of you all professionally. You guys have a lot of skills, a lot of value to bring, but you're not packaging it in a way that brings value to the organizations that are recruiting you, right? So you have to rebrand yourself. If you worked at Amazon, if you worked at Uber, if you worked a customer service job, right? You want to make sure you package that work experience in such a way that it makes sense to a recruiter or a talent acquisition specialist or human resource professional. Make sure you rebrand yourself. If you need help, visit our website at lenorecoaching.com. We got a lot of great resources, including this book, Purpose Driven Work, written by yours truly. If you are someone that is trying to align purpose with your dreams, your callings and career, this is gonna be a good read for you. We also have our 60-day career change course for those of you all that are trying to change careers. No matter what industry you're trying to break into, that 60-day career course is gonna be helpful for you. Reach out to your boy, shoot me an email at info@lenorecoaching.com. I would love to get connected with you. I'm on social media. Reach out to me on TikTok, Instagram, and I'm also on LinkedIn. Y'all have a blessed one, man. I'm confident that if you keep at it, if you keep focused, if you're resilient and you have that grit, that determination, you will see the fruit. So keep at it. You got it. Y'all have a blessed one. I will talk to you soon. Take care.
Put on his neck, I'm coming in high, I'm coming in quick, got what I got, I'm so content, he calling me big, running up chicks, running up, loving that flex, been on that marathon nail, I run at my pace, they loving the sprint, foot on his neck.